Chapter 4. Stop Loss, Take Profit. In this module, you will learn how to modify trading orders with the Take Profit and Stop Loss options. While placing a market order, the values of Stop Loss and Take Profit can be inputted directly in these dedicated boxes. However, please note that Stop Loss and Take Profit values must include stop limit level, which will be fully explained later in this tutorial. Please remember that XM works with a 100% market execution policy. According to this, your order is executed at the current market price, and there are no requotes, no rejections. To modify an active order with the Take Profit or Stop Loss option, you must right-click the active order and select the Modify or Delete option. This will take you to the Modify Order window. Here you can decide whether to place Take Profit or Stop Loss at a certain number of points, or to directly input the price. Remember that the Take Profit and Stop Loss modifications must include the stop limit level values. For example, for the Euro-US dollar pair, the Stop Loss and/or Take Profit value must be at a distance of at least 40 points from the bid price now and/or the ask price now. This means the Take Profit and/or Stop Loss values are calculated according to the current bid or ask prices, not the opening price. In case you change the level points to 100 and click the Copy button, the value will get copied into the Stop Loss box. If the modification includes the stop limit level value, the color of the Modify button will change from grey to blue. The modification comes into effect as soon as you click the Modify button. You can see the new value of the Take Profit or Stop Loss in the corresponding columns. In the case of pending orders, the Take Profit and Stop Loss options will be enabled while you are placing a pending order. However, in such a case, you need to input the correct price instead of the point value. And don't forget that the stop limit level values must be included according to the pending order activation price you set. You can modify pending orders at any time by right-clicking on a placed pending order and selecting Modify or Delete Order. Unlike with active orders, where the Copy button enables you to use point values, here you will need to input the exact Take Profit and Stop Loss values manually. Thank you for watching.